Once upon a time, a young kid named Max wanted to do something amazing to entertain their family during a rainy weekend at home. With everyone feeling a bit bored, Max decided it was the perfect time to become a magician and put on a surprise magic show. Discovering magic around the house, Max begins exploring the house, looking for items that could become magic props. Max grabs a deck of cards from the drawer, a coin from their piggy bank, a rubber band, and even a few paper clips. Now with a handful of items, Max is ready to learn some magic tricks. The mysterious card trick. Max's first trick is with the deck of cards. Max asks a family member to pick a card, memorize it, and then put it back in the deck. With a magic shuffle and a dramatic reveal, Max pulls out the chosen card as if by magic. The family is stunned, giving Max a round of applause. The vanishing coin trick. Next, Max shows off a simple trick using a coin. Max places it in one hand, closes their fingers, says a magic word, and poof, the coin seems to vanish. The family laughs and gasps, wondering where the coin went. Max secretly smiles, knowing they just performed a classic trick, the magical rubber band. For the next trick, Max holds two rubber bands, links them together, and magically separates them without breaking them. The family watches in amazement, completely mystified by how the rubber bands move and unlink as if by magic. The floating spoon finale. For the grand finale, Max grabs a spoon, pretending it has magical floating powers. After a little concentration and some clever hand positioning, Max makes it appear as if the spoon is floating right off the table. The family is thrilled, cheering and clapping as Max takes a bow, proudly finishing the magic show. Max is now known as the amazing kid magician at home, and the family can't wait for the next show. Max is happy to have turned a rainy day into an unforgettable magical adventure right at home.